It's now all right. It's now 6:35 p.m. So let's do this. All right. Again, hi everyone. For those of you who are seeing me for the first time or just attending my class for the first time, my name is Arnold Anog. I'm one of the coaches here in Quick Pro, and I just have one class for Quick Pro now that I hope that starting July that Madge will be able to, I'll be able to work it out with Coach Madge and handle another course in Quick Pro. Right now, I'm only doing a course about global investing and trading. And so this is my course is divided into two parts, all set 1 and all set 2. So right now you're seeing or you're attending the class called All Set 1, where I'll be introducing you to global investing and trading. No? Paano ba pagtrabahuhin ang pera para sa atin? As freelancers, I know you guys are making a lot of money. Tama ba? Hello Alvin. Naka-on ang camera ni Alvin, ni Dance, ni Sarah, at saka ni, how do I pronounce that? Anatali? Did I pronounce your name right? Anatali.
Correct.
There you go. Hello, everyone. And hello, Jasmine. All right. And so, totoo ba, di ba, ang mga freelancers, malaki kumita ng pera. Tama ba? Yes!
Nag-restart mag-freelance po.
Yes! Claim it. If it's not yet happening, it will. All right. And so I know that you guys are making a lot of money or have the capacity to make a lot of money. But what I want you to really, really know is that you can also make your money work for you. At yan pag-uusapan natin dito sa All Set. All right. Hope you guys are ready. Okay. My classes is my schedule is a little erratic for the past 2 weeks already. But I'm negotiating with Madge. If there you go, Jasmine. Yep, you claim it, girl. Okay, and so I'll be renegotiating for Coach Madge to have this already on a Thursday. At kung papayag si Coach Madge na ma-move yung schedule ko because I'm really full on a Friday na. All right, and so let's talk about this. You know what's good about you attending my sessions or my classes? Because even if your membership with Quick Pro expires, you will still be part of my community. Okay. And what is this community that I'm talking about? It's called Creators of Wealth. What do we do in our community? We equip people with the right mindset and skill set to create real wealth. All right. Why? Because bakit kailangan pa ng mindset and skill set? Because aanhin mo ang talent mo, ang skills mo, aanhin mo ang galing mo. If you have a poor mindset, wala tayong pinag-uusapan. All right? It's all about the right mindset first. Okay? In creating real wealth or tunay na yaman. I'm not just talking about money, but I'm talking about your health. I'm talking about your relationships. I'm talking about your finances. Although tonight, we're going to zero in on our finances. Kasi yan ang topic natin, investing and trading. All right. Okay. Sabi ni Dance, di pa ako nag-start here in freelance, pero I'm willing to. Yep, you're good. Prepare yourself. Okay, when you make that big box, you know how to make it work for you. All right. And so as we talk about this, okay, I'll be putting my chat to the side because I'd like to finish first what I want to present to you. If you have urgent concerns, I want you to unmute your mic because a lot of people don't know how to talk right now. Okay, so I want you to unmute your mic and ask your questions if it's urgent. If it can wait, then just put it in the chat and I'll go back to that later. Okay? And so, but then again, kung ma-importante at pag hindi ko nasagot, baka hindi ka na makasunod, then unmute your mic and ask that question. All right? So thank you again, Kathleen, for supporting us in this class and for fixing this for our session. Thanks, Kathleen. All right, here we go. Dito sa All Set 1, I will introduce you to global investing and trading. It's one way of you making your money work for you. I'll be talking about two things. Four things. Bakit to na lang? Okay, the goal of an investment, how to start investing, investment options and components, and I will help you prepare for your global investment. Okay? And so, paano natin to gagawin? Let's talk about this first. Now, we want to learn the goal of investment. Unang-una muna, sige, bakit ba tayo mag-i-invest? Kasi we wanted, this is an adaptation from Robert Kiyosaki's cash flow quadrant. When I read that book almost 20 years ago, 2 decades ago, I realized the importance of multiple sources of income. So as freelancers, you know that, okay, that having different sources of income is really very important. And so being employed, you have a job, okay, and as freelancers, you don't want this, diba? You want to be self-employed. You own your job, or you wanted to put up your own business wherein you own a system and people are working for you. Great setup, right? But you know what's my favorite? This one, that I have an investment portfolio and my money is the one working for me. Why do I want that? Because my money will not get tired of working. Hindi yan magkakasakit, hindi yan magbabakasyon, hindi yan absent, hindi yan magrereklamo. It will continue to work for me kahit tulog ako, kahit nasa bakasyon ako, kahit nagtuturo ako. My money will continue to work for me. That's why I'm seeing to it that my money will work hard for me and will not just work for me. All right? Now, again, what we wanted is to see to it that we will be crossing over to the right side of this quadrant. Okay? Kasi dito, we are trading literally our time and effort for money. We want to make passive income instead and not just active. Okay? Because there's so much more to do in life than making money. Okay? Now, one of the best ways to do that is through the stock market. If you don't understand the stock market yet, since this is an introduction, I'm going to introduce it to you in a very simple way. Bawat developed countries, meron ng tinatawag na stock market exchange, kung saan ang mga privately owned companies nagiging publicly listed. At kung saan itong mga publicly listed companies katulad dito sa Pilipinas, katulad ng PLDT, ng Pure Gold, ng San Miguel, ng SM Ayala, the public is invited to become shareholders or part owners. Paano mangyayari yan? Bibili lang kayo ng shares of their stocks. Now, pag nabili na yan ng mga tao, and even institutions, they will go into a lot of trading, buying and selling from one another. Now, yan ang stock market exchange. Now, bawat bansa na may stock market exchange, mayroong tinatawag na index. Ano yung stock market index? Sa Pilipinas, ang tawag natin PSEI or Philippine Stock Exchange Index. Kung saan, andito yung 30 of the 270 plus companies na ginagawa nating barometer ng economic growth ng bansang ito, and also barometer whether ang mga publicly listed companies dito sa Pilipinas ay kumikita ba. PSEI, again, stands for Philippine Stock Exchange Index, kung saan it's headed by San Miguel, PLDT, Meralco, SM Ayala, and even the embattled Jollibee right now. Okay, and NASDAQ. Ano to naman tong NASDAQ? NASDAQ is the index, one of the indices of US. Meron silang NASDAQ 100, S&P 500, and Dow Jones 30. Now, bakit natin kino-compare yung dalawang indices ng Pilipinas at ng Amerika? Because gusto kong tignan mo tong lower left quadrant ng ating screen, makikita mo rito 5 years ago, lower part of your screen, left lower part. Kung saan makikita mo 5 years ago, tinatalo pa nga ng PSEI ang NASDAQ. Pero bago matapos ang 2017, wala na, iniwan na tayo. Papansin mo naman sa stocks, up and down ang presyo ng mga shares. Pero yung NASDAQ, kita mo, up and down, tapos down nung COVID, the height of COVID. This is the height of COVID, refer to your screen. Pero ang NASDAQ nakabawi na from where it was before at patuloy na nag-grow. In fact, it grew by 221% in 5 years. 221% in 5 years. Samantalang ang PSI, up and down ang presyo, pero sideways. Unlike yung Nasdaq, pataas. Ang PSEI, sideways. In fact, nung bumagsak ang PSEI during the COVID, hindi pa nakaka-recover from where it was before. In fact, in 5 years, -10 ang pera sa PSEI. So, para mas maintindihan mo, meron kang 100,000 pesos, ininvest mo sa 30 blue chip companies sa PSEI. Yung kaibigan mo went global. May 100,000 pesos siya, ininvest niya sa Nasdaq. After 5 years, you compared notes. Yung 100,000 mo, naging 90,000 na lang. Lugi ng 10%. Actually, 10.91. Pero yung kaibigan mo, nag-withdraw din ng pera after 5 years. Yung pera niya, yung 100,000 niya, naging 321,000. Siya, ang pera niya, pareho kayong nagsimula, 100,000. In 5 years, siya naging 321,000 pesos yung pera. Ikaw, 90,000. Look at this difference. I want you to mind the gap. I want you to mind the difference. That's 321%. Sorry, 231% difference. All right? So, Arnold, magkaiba naman yan kasi Nasdaq 100 companies, PSEI 30 companies. Tinatalo nga natin sila 5 years ago eh. Alright? It's not about that. It's about the rating. Hindi about the 100 companies, ito 30. But that question is what happened to our country since 2016? Now, sige, di isang kumpanya na lang, one of the best performing stocks in the Philippines, Jollibee. I-compare natin sa single stock in the US. Microsoft, average performer, best performer in the Philippines. One of the best performers. Same thing. 5 years ago, tinatalo ng Jollibee ang Microsoft. If you will expand here. Tinatalo na Jollibee si Microsoft. Pero bago matapos ang taon, iniwan ni Microsoft si Jollibee. In fact, in 5 years, kumita ng 423% si Microsoft. Si Jollibee, -23%. Same example. You have 100,000, nilagay mo sa Jollibee. Yung kaibigan mo, 100,000 pesos, nilagay niya sa Microsoft. After 5 years, yung pera mo kay Jollibee, 77,000 na lang. 100,000, 77,000 na lang siya ngayon. Pero si Microsoft, yung pera ng kaibigan mo, yung 100,000 niya, 523,000. This is the reason why we are introducing you to global assets. Because we're losing by default if you will only invest here in the Philippines. Don't just go local, but go global. Because we're missing a lot. Look at this big difference. So ang tanong, okay, Arnold, paano natin sisimulan yan? Did you know na pwede pala? Buti sana, Arnold, kung pwede mag-invest dito. Pwede. Did you know that you can invest and trade in global assets? Global stocks muna, like Apple, Google, Facebook, Amazon, Netflix, Starbucks, Tesla, Disney, Visa, MasterCard, Johnson & Johnson, Moderna, Pfizer, even those companies, Spotify, Shopify, and other global assets such as gold, silver, oil, Bitcoin, yung narinig yung Ethereum, Cardano or ADA, exchange-traded funds, and country indices with as little as $200. Yes, you heard it right. $200 or less than 10,000 pesos. Pwede ka nang magsimula. Now, as you start, Arnold, yung 10,000 hindi yan ibabayad sa Quick Pro, hindi yan ibabayad sa akin. That's the money that you will invest already. Now, paano kung wala kang alam? Did you know that you can automatically copy the trades and portfolios of highly successful global investors and traders? Kahit kay Warren Buffett's portfolio, pwede mong kopyahin. Kung wala kang knowledge, expertise, and time to monitor the market, pwede tayong kumopya. Kopya lang tayo. Arnold, paano pagkapanahon ng market correction? Paano kung bumabagsak? Paano kung merong retracing? Paano kung downtrend? Pwede ba tayong kumita? Yes. Pwede pang kumita, and you can even, kung hindi ka man kumita, you will not suffer huge losses in case of global or local market crash. Why? Because there's an opportunity to short the market. Ano yun? Mamaya papaliwanag ko sa inyo. Okay? Now, bakit ba kailangan ulit bakit kailangan mag-invest? Well, because our money is losing its purchasing power. Nalulugi ang pera natin. Bumabagsak ang purchasing power ng pera natin. Wala lang tayong magandang data sa Pilipinas, no? Kaya nanghihiram tayo ng data sa Amerika. Wherein sa Amerika, you can see that more than 80% na yung ibinagsak ng pera nila. More than 80% ang ibinagsak ng pera nila in how many years? In 40 years. More than 80%. Paano pa kaya sa atin? Now, this is because of inflation rate or yung devaluation ng pera talaga, no? Kaya nga ang goal natin, kung nakatira ka sa Pilipinas, dapat ang investment mo is making at least 10% annually. Bakit kamo? Kasi ganyan kalaki ang pagtaas even ng tuition fee rates natin dito sa Pilipinas. Yung mga presyo ng bilihin will be about 5 to 6% a year. O imagine mo na lang, magkano ang 2 pieces chicken joy noon? Imagine mo magkano ang 1 litro ng Coke dati. Magkano pamasahe mo sa jeep? Magkano ang tuition fee mo sa school noon versus ngayon? Alright? So, that's why kung meron kang savings account, kung meron kang time deposit, kung meron kang mutual funds, UITF o VUL na binili sa Pilipinas, kailangan kumikita yun ng 10% annually. Or else, you are losing by default. You're losing money. Okay, and so Arnold, okay, so kung ganyan pala, how will I do it right? How will I choose my investments right? Okay, punta tayo doon. But let's start by asking ourselves, how to start investing properly? Paano ba ako magsisimula? Okay, para makapagsimula ka ng tama, live on a budget, on a strict budget. Ano yung strict budget? Pag may pumasok na pera, siguraduhin yung lalabas na pera sa bahay nyo mas mababa. Karamihan, ganito nangyayari. Itong papasok na pera, ito yung lumalabas na pera. You need to decrease your expenses. Alam mo, 17 years ago, I was drowning in debt. Actually, 20 years ago to 17 years ago, I was drowning in debt. Alam mo, paano ako nakalabas sa utang? Strict budgeting formula. I decreased my expenses and see to ito yung napapasok na pera, 10% will go back to God in the form of tithes. 20% will go to my savings and investments. 70% will be my lifestyle or my budget for my lifestyle. I decreased my expenses. Pinagkasya ko talaga yung kinikita ko. Na dating, mas malaki ang lumalabas. I decreased my expenses at hindi lang decrease my expenses. I find ways to increase my income para may sobra palagi. 10% balik kay Lord, 20% yun ang ini-invest ko, 70% yun ang aking lifestyle. Pag na-train mo yung sarili mo na mabuhay sa ganyang formula, hindi ka mawawalan ng pera. Promise. Hindi ka kakapusin ng budget kasi you're very strict with your budget. 10% balik kay Lord, 20% save and invest, 70% doon lang ang pagkakasyahin. Once you are able to train yourself to live in 10, 20, 70 of your money, you will never feel lack anymore. Okay? Lack, L-A-C-K. O hindi mo na mararamdaman na nauubusan ka. Okay? Palagi ka pang may sobra, yung 20%. At nagtatights ka, the Lord promised you that He will give it back to you 100 folds. Not 100 times, ha? 100 folds. Ibig sabihin 100 to the 100th power. Alright. And so, how can I increase my income, Arnold? Well, one of the things that you can do, see to it that kung nagtatrabaho ka, find ways to increase your income. Okay. Now, pagka nadagdagan na yung kinikita mo, huwag ipang-upgrade ng lifestyle. Ha? Magbayad ng utang and the rest, the most part of it, i-invest. Self-employment, you turn a hobby or a skill into a small business. Ibenta ang mga skills mo o ang mga hobbies mo. Okay, and now, learn how to sell other things or start referring people to agents. Pag nadagdagan na yung kita mo, yung iba, pambayad ng utang, the rest, ipang-i-invest. Don't upgrade your lifestyle yet. Pag nandito ka lang sa quadrant na to, minimize your upgrades sa buhay. Okay? Why? Kasi dapat nga yung lifestyle mo bagay sa kinikita mo. Now, if you have explored already going into a business, starting a business, looking at franchising, considering network marketing, okay, you can start yan, mag-upgrade ng konti-unti kasi baka kailangan mo sa business mo. Pero the rest, pambayad ng utang, and the most part of it, i-invest. Pagtatrabahuhin natin yung pera natin para sa atin. And lastly, even pag nag-i-invest ka na, pag kumita na ng pera yung investment mo, i-reinvest mo pa rin. Or continue to make your money work hard for you. Because if you will not make your money work for you habang bata pa kayo, you will be spending a lot of time and you will be wasting a lot of effort just to make money. So see to it, habang bata pa kayo, nagtatrabaho na yung pera nyo para sa'yo. So that you can have more time doing some other things because there's more to life than making money. Okay? Now, okay, Arnold, I have been living on a budget. I'm decreasing my expenses. I'm increasing my income. Pwede na ba ako mamili? Yes, pwede ka na mamili ng investment options. But for tonight, we're just going to talk about financial assets. We're not going to talk about other forms of businesses or real assets or real property assets. Okay, ang pag-uusapan natin, financial assets. Why? Why will this be your priority? Because financial assets are very convenient. Okay? Wala kang masyadong iniintinding mga inventaryo. Okay? Walang kailangan malaking pera. Hindi nangangailangan ng maraming permits. Okay? So, hindi mo kailangan ng maraming paperworks. Kaya simple ang financial assets. Now, again, nako, karamihan ng Pinoy pagka may pera, alam mong first option nila, bangko. Mula sa araw na ito, stay away from the banks. Except para lang utangan nyo at para lang pagtaguan ng pagtaguan, daanan lang ng pera nating i-invest. Ulit, daanan lang sila Daanan lang sila ng pera o kaya utangan natin. Yan lang ang silbi ng bangko for us. Okay? Pero hindi mo pwede dyan iwan ng pera mo para kumita ng pera. Dahil ang bangko lang ang kikita sa'yo ng malaki, hindi ikaw. Okay? Pwede natin siyang daanan ng pera para mag-invest sa bonds. Pag sinabing bonds, ibig sabihin nito, pinapautang natin. Pag sinabing treasury bonds, pinapautang natin ng gobyerno. Pag sinabing corporate bonds, pinapautang natin private companies. Okay? Kasi ang mga private companies at ang gobyerno, nangungutang yan sa bayan. Okay? Nangungutang sila pagka meron silang projects, tapos wala na silang funds. Bonds ang tawag doon. Mag-i-issue sila ng bonds, tapos pwede kang bumili nito o pwede kang mag-invest ng bonds na ito. Saan ka nakakakuha ng mga bonds na yan? Through the bank. Okay? Or you check the website of the Department of Finance kung kailan may offering. Kasi hindi to offered palagi. Short period of time lang ino-offer yung mga yan. Kung gusto mong directly mag-invest sa bonds, pwede namang indirectly, mamaya papaliwanag ko dito sa part na yan. Now, dahil hindi nga ito year-round available, yung mga tao mas gusto na lang mag-stock market. Kaso sa stock market, alam mo naman, no, kailangan mo ng tatlong bagay kung gusto mong kumita ng malaki. Kailangan mo, of course, ng pera, pero kailangan mo rin ng knowledge, expertise, and time to monitor the market. Otherwise, you will be losing a lot of money. Okay? So, kaya mga tao, yung mga tao nag-try ng stock market, tapos nalugi sila, naku, nainganyo ng mga mutual funds, ng UITF, o ng VUL. Ang tawag natin dyan, mga pooled funds. This is investing indirectly. Kasi imbis na dediretso ka sa mga companies para mag-issue ng bonds, o bibili ka ng bonds ng companies o ng gobyerno, o bibili ka ng shares of stocks, dediretso ka, magpapa-invest ka sa mga fund managers ng pooled funds. Tapos tatanungin ka lang nila kung saan mo gusto mag-invest. Sa bonds ba? Ganoon din naman pala. Sa equities ba? Sa securities or sa stocks? Or balance, combination ng dalawa. So ang mangyayari, sila mag-i-invest para sa iyo. Tapos, ano lang kung anong klase, pero silang mamimili kung ano specifically. Tapos babayaran mo pa sila ng fund management fees dahil sila nag-i-invest para sa iyo. So pag wala nang ganitong offer, walang direct bond offerings, pwede ka mag-invest indirectly. Kaso nga lang, mapapagastos ka Because you're going to pay for fund management fees. Magkano bang kitaan dito? O hindi na updated tong 0.125. Nakalimutan kong i-update. It's now 0.0625. Ulitin ko lang. 0.0625. Ibig sabihin, kung may 100,000 pesos ka sa bangko, iniwan mo ng 1 year ha, ang kita nun, minus withholding tax, ang kita nun, eto na, net of withholding tax, 50 pesos. Ulit. Kung meron kang 100,000 pesos, iniwan mo sa bangko ng 1 year, ang kinita lang ng pera mo, 50 pesos. Time deposit, gusto mong kumita ng malaki, sabi ng BPI, Metrobank at BDO, you need 1 million pataas, pero hindi na 1% kasi bumaba na rin. 0.5%. Grabe, no? Samantalang kung magbabonds ka, kaya ka nilang bigyan ng 3% to 5%. Ito nga ang example natin, no? 4.375% per annum. 3 years lang. 3 years maturity, they give you 4.375% per annum. 3 to 5%. Okay? Mas malaki ang bigay ng mga corporate bonds. Pero gusto mo mas malaki, you can go to the stock market. Unlimited ang kita, pero pwede ring malugi o maipit yung pera mo sa stock market. Aba, paano? Paano nalulugi? Paano naiipit ang pera sa stock market? Well, through this. Okay. For example, ang sikat na sikat ngayon na Jollibee. Okay, sandali lang ha. Iinom ko lang ng tubig to. Sandali lang. Ang embattled, beleaguered Jollibee now. So, alam pa to si Jollibee. I started with stock market noong 2008. Nabili ko si Jollibee at 52 pesos per share. Pero alam mo si Jollibee magkano lang noon? 9 pesos per share noong 1993. Noong 2008, 52 pesos per share na siya. Okay? So, tapos alam niyo ba yung Jollibee na yan na nagsimula lang sa 9 pesos per share, umabot yan sa 325.20 per share. So biruin mo kung may 10,000 shares ka, nabili mo ng 9 pesos per share, nabili mo lang ng 90,000. Tapos, naibenta mo yung 10,000 shares mo ng 3,252,000. Grabe, no? Ganyan kumita sa stock market. Pero hindi lahat ng kwento ay kwentong Jollibee. Pero nga, kwentong Jollibee nga 325 noong January 21, 2019. At the height of the pandemic, bumagsak ito as low as 91 pesos and 10 centavos noong March 19. Nagsara nung araw na yun at 100 pesos per share. Pero ngayon, si Jollibee nakabawi na ba? Hindi pa rin. Hindi pa rin umaabot sa 300 price. Pero at least 194 pesos na nung kanina nung nag-close ang market. No? So nung February, nasa 184.90. Ngayong June 4, 194 na si Jollibee. Makakabalik ba siya sa presyong 300? We hope so. We hope so. Sa Philippine market, ang investment ko na lang sa stocks ay Jollibee. I bought PLDT, I bought SM, pero dahil hindi ko nga alam ang ginagawa ko, nalugi lang ako at naibenta ko ng palugi. Pero yung Jollibee ko, nandun pa rin, which I bought at 52 pesos per share. Kung gusto ko siyang ibenta ngayon, kikita ako ng 142 pesos per share. Kung may 10,000 shares ako. Wala naman ako nun. walang 10,000 yung shares ko. But can you imagine, ganun ang kitaan sa stock market. So hindi lang mga long-term ang kumikita sa stock market, pati yung mga short-term traders. Example ko ha, biruin mo, 220 binili nila yung Jollibee. Meron silang knowledge, expertise, and time to monitor the market. Nung nag-250, binenta nila. Bumagsak si Jollibee, unang bagsak di sila bumili. Pangalawang bagsak, confirmation, 190 pesos bumili sila sa Jollibee. Nung nag-300 pesos si Jollibee, ibinenta nila. They have knowledge, time to monitor the market, and expertise. Kaya nila nagagawa yan. Bumagsak ulit si Jollibee, hindi pa. Pangalawang bagsak, yan, confirmation. Bumili nila sila at 250 level. Pagdating ng 320 level, binenta nila ulit. And all of these levels, bili sila ng bili. Bili sila ng bili ng Jollibee. Sila yung namili ng marami nung nag 100 pesos o 91 pesos sa day trading si Jollibee, closing at 100 pesos per nung day na yon. Namili sila ng marami. And I believe nagbenta na sila nung 200 per share. Actually, bumagsak ng 160 ulit si Jollibee kailan lang, no? About mga 2 weeks ago. Nagbilihan na naman ng marami yan mga yan. At malamang pag nag 200, bebenta ulit sila. Ganyan kumita ng pera sa stocks, yung mga may knowledge, expertise, and time to monitor the market. Hindi kinakailangan ng mahabang panahon bago kumita. Kahit short term, kumikita na sila. Now, we teach that to you in our community, how to do short-term trading. And now, of course, how to do long-term trading as well. But, paano naman naiipit o nalulugi yung pera sa stocks? O eto, halimbawa, yung mga bumili ng 300 pesos per share si Jollibee. At nang panic sila, binenta nila ng 100 pesos kasi baka daw maubos ang pera nila. Dapat you need to understand the market. Pag bumabagsak, it's an opportunity to buy more. Hindi ibebenta mo kung kailan bumagsak. O ito, bumili ka ng 320 per share. Ipit pa rin yung pera mo kasi si Jollibee, 194 pesos pa lang per share. Ipit siya, hindi mo maibenta kasi nabili mo na 320 eh. So ang pag-asa mo na lang, bumili ka pa na mas marami para pag nag-400 si Jollibee, eh, malaki-laki ang kinita mo. Ganyan ang laro sa stock market. No? So paano nga kung wala kang knowledge, expertise, and time to monitor the market? Pwede tayong mangopya. Kokopya tayo sa magagaling. Kokopya tayo sa marurunong. And it's free to do that, okay, with the platform that we're going to use. Okay. And so, yun na lang, Arnold. Hindi ko naman kasi wala akong knowledge, time, and expertise. Mag-invest na lang ako indirectly. Now, sabi ng mga pooled funds, ng mutual funds, UITF, at saka ng mga BUL, pwede kang kumita between 3 to 8% per annum. Kung bonds, 3%. Kung equities o securities, 8%. Kung balance, 5%. Now, okay. And so, sabi natin, kung ganyan kalaki ang kitaan, nakukuha ba nila yung target na kita nila? Kung sa VUL, all you have to do, kung may VUL ka, check your insurance company na binilan mo ng VUL. Tapos i-check mo kung magkano ng kinita ng funds mo sa kanila. UITF, gano'n na. Lapit ka doon sa bangko or pumunta ka sa website na uitf.com.ph. Pero hindi maganda yung user interface. Hindi katulad ng mutual funds. Meron silang website. Lahat ng mutual fund companies in the Philippines, kita mo na. At kita mo na magkano kita ng 1 year, 3 years, at 5 years. In one page. Okay? Ito yon, yung pifa.com.ph. Just go to pifa.com.ph, click on facts and figures. You will see all the 50 plus mutual fund companies in the Philippines at magkano kinikita in 1 year, in 3 years, and in 5 years. Dito sa data na na-screen capture ko noong Feb 9, best performer ng 1 year ay 6.87%. Sabi nila 8% daw, pero hindi nila nakuha yon. Worst performer, negative 13%. Bili mo kung isang taon ka lang pwedeng mag-invest at ininvest mo sa mutual fund dito sa Pilipinas, sa equities o sa securities. Tapos after 1 year kinuha mo, nabawasan ng 13,000 yung pera mo plus the fund management fees. Kung 3 years, long term ka naman, sabi mo, sige, mag-iipon ako para 3 years may pambili ko ng sasakyan ko. Yung pera mo, negative 5 ang kinita. Worst performer, negative 12. Diba 5 years para sa pagpapakasal ko, para makakapag-propose na ako. 5 years, biruin mo, ang best performer na positive 4 lang. Worst performer, negative 5. Ang inflation rate sa Pilipinas, 6%. Talo ka na kaagad. Ang target nga natin dapat, di ba, 10%. Paano ka hahabol? Biruin mo, yung pera mo na nga, nilagay mo sa 30 blue chip companies dito sa ETF ng Metrobank. Actually, it's an index fund, no? Doon sa index fund nila, 30 blue chip companies yan. Doon mo nilagay yung pera mo. Negative 5.8 in 1 year. Negative 5.9 in 3 years. Nag-positive lang after 5 years, pero 1.64. Samantalang Microsoft, 422%. Microsoft alone, ito 1.64. 30 blue chip companies against one company, against Microsoft. O yung PSEI natin, o yung Nasdaq na lang, 221%. Ito, positive 1% lang. Kaya Arnold, are we hopeless? Are we losing by default talaga? No. That's why we're introducing you to global investing para may option ka. And so, kasi sa global investing, again, there's nothing wrong when you start to do global investing. Don't ever think na pinapabayaan nyo ang Pilipinas. That's not true. Because ang importante is while the money that we're earning from global investing, dito pa rin natin sa Pilipinas ginagamit. Therefore, we're contributing to our economy. Pero pag nag-invest tayo globally, na ma-maximize natin itong tatlong components, money, time, and rate. Ibig sabihin kasi kailangan natin ng magandang o substantial amount of money that we invest regularly. Ulitin ko ha, substantial amount of money that you invest regularly. Kailangan ini-invest mo yung pera mo regularly. And what do you call this? And you need to be investing it every year or every month or every time you make money. Tapos substantial amount ha. Tapos you give it time para tumubo. Let's say 10 years. You give it time. 10 years para tumubo. Rate of investment, halimbawa, nakakita ka ng 10% sa Pilipinas, which is very difficult to find. Okay? Ang bangko, magkano lang kayang ibigay. Ang stocks, magkano lang kayang ibigay. Ang UITF, VUL, hindi nila kayang ibigay ito. Pero halimbawa, nakakita ka. Kasi, bali wala yung 10% mong nakita o yung 10 years mong pinagtrabaho yung pera kung maliit lang nilalagay mong pera. Kung ang nilalagay mo lang pera, 12,000, yung kapitbahay mo, 120, yung kaibigan mo, 1.2 million, iba-iba lang kayo ng rate. Sila naka-millions in 10 years. Umabot ng milyon, lumagpas ng milyones, ikaw hindi, kasi maliit lang yung perang inaalat mo every year. Kailangan substantial amount. Substantial amount of money, o halimbawa, pare-pareho tayo ng money na 120,000 a year. Pare-parehong may 10%. Pero kung ikaw ang kaya mo lang 10 years, yung kapitbahay mo 20 years, yung kaibigan mo 30 years, siyempre iba-iba ulit din. O naka 2.1 million ka nga, pero sila lagpas 5 million. Pare-pareho lang kayo ng pera ha, pare-pareho lang kayo ng rates, nagkaiba lang sa haba ng panahon. Okay? So, kailangan magkakakampi. Magkakampi ang pera, ang oras, at saka yung rate. Kasi halimbawa may 120,000 ka, kahit 20 years mong iwan yan, yung iba 4%, yung iba 8%, yung iba 12%, iba-iba pa rin yan ng yield o ng earnings. Pero alam mo, hindi yan ang nakakalungkot. Papakita ko sa inyo yung nakakalungkot. Ito yung nakakalungkot. Now, hindi lahat ng Pilipino kakayanin mag-invest every year. Siguro one time nilang gagawin lang. Mag-iiwan silang 120,000. Hindi nila nakakayanin yung pangmahabang. Pero let's say, sige, iniwan ng 20 years yung 120,000 na hindi na dinagdagan. Pero alam mo sa naglagay ng pera, naku, kailangan ko na mag-recompute. 0.125% per annum or sa savings account. Right now, it's 0.0625. Yung iba sa time deposit na 1% nilagay. Pero what if I tell you, again, everyone, kapit sa silya, kapit sa silya, kapit sa silya. Alam mo ba dito sa gagawin nating global investing, you can copy popular investors. Kokopyahin na lang natin. Sila mayroong knowledge, expertise, and time to monitor the market. And they can make as much as 25% per annum. Actually, this is very small. Huwag kayong aalis. Papakita ko sa inyo. Ha? There are people that you can copy at the rate of 80%, 60%, 100%, 120%. Pero ito sa computation na lang natin, 25% ha? 25%, pera na iniwan mo ng 20 years at 120,000. Yung nag-iwan sa savings account, 3,000 lang ang kinita. Yung nag-iwan sa time deposit, 26,000 lang kinita. Ikaw na nag-global investing at kumopya ka pa lang, kumopya lang ha, hindi pa nga naiintindihan masyado. Pero iniwan mo for 20 years, kumita ka ng 10.2 million. 10.288 million to be exact. 10.288340.86 to be exact. This is highly realistic, achievable, at this is low risk already. Now, my appeal to you is when you invest your money, kalimutan nyo na muna yan. Give it a time. Give it a time of at least 3 to 5 years. Hindi mo yan araw-araw check. Anong trabaho natin pag nag-invest? Ilalagay mo yan dyan, tuwing meron kang extra money, mag-i-invest ka ulit. Titignan mo kung kokopya ka ba o saan mo dadalhin. We will teach you how to do that. Pero hindi mo ito babantayan araw-araw. Okay? What you will do is every time, araw-araw, you make money, so tuwing meron kang 20% of your income, dala ka agad sa investment. Alright? Saan dadalhin? We will teach you where you will put it. Now, we will talk about the platform where we can earn as much as 25% per annum, even just by copying. But before I go there, I'm going to share a link in the chat because I will want you to prepare yourself how to start global investing already. I'm going to post it in the chat, and I want you to create an account now. It's a free account, okay, so that you will be properly guided already at saka hindi kayo mahihirapan. Okay. Okay, sabi ni Alvin, amazing book. This is the cash flow quadrant. I don't believe in everything that he's saying, but I really appreciate yung multiple sources of income. Okay, very good, no? Si binabasa din daw ni Shi. Okay. Now, I'm posting something in the chat box. You need to create your accounts now before I continue. I see a lot of people have created accounts already. Sila Mark, sila Noreen, sila Brenda. Okay, I'm looking at that. You don't need to create a new account, Yung sila Ian. Okay, yeah, who else? Okay, so those who have not created the account yet, please create an account by going to the link that I posted in the chat box. There you go. Please click that and create a free account muna before I continue. All right? Okay. Si John, meron na rin daw. All right. Meron na po akong account, sir. All right. Jico, did you see? Sorry. Jico, did you use the link of Quick Pro? Jico? All right. Okay. Just answer. You need to create the account using a Quick Pro link. Kasi di po, sir. Kasi 2 weeks ago ko na po nagawa. Oh, all right. Okay. All right. Jico, I cannot welcome you to my community. You can only attend my sessions here in Quick Pro, but my other sessions in Creators of Wealth, you won't have access of that. Is it a funded account already, Jico? Di pa naman po, sir. Okay. So what you can do, Jico, how did you create it? Did you go to the website lang, or did your friend ask you to use his link? Did you use another person's link? Sa website lang po. All right. Jico, you can cancel it. You can go to settings, cancel it. And yeah, wala na namang referral talaga, Jico. It stopped already since matagal na, first quarter of this year. So you need to cancel it and join again using the link of Quick Pro, the one that I sent here, so that I can welcome you to our community called Creators of Wealth. All right. All right. Okay. Very good, Jico. Please do this now. And also, for those of you who are creating their accounts right now, please please just only create the account. Please do not go to completion of your profile or don't verify your account yet. Just create it, and then just say done in the chat once you're done, so that I can continue. Okay, just put done, and once you are done creating, sabi ni Shi, once you're done, please send me a message in my messenger Okay, my messenger name is Arnold H. Anog. I'm putting it in the chat. Okay, putting it in the chat. That's my name, Arnold H. Anog. You look for me in Messenger, you will know that I'm Arnold H. Anog because I'm the only Arnold Anog na maputi ang buhok doon. Okay. Then you're going to send me your eToro username. Okay. You're going to send me your eToro username and you're going to send me your real name also. Kasi minsan ang mga messenger name nila, hindi real name nila. Cutie Pie, Pogi ako. So okay, please send me your real name. Okay. So what you're going to send to me in Messenger is your eToro username. And just tell me pala mo na OBM student po. Then sa eToro username, then your real name. And then I'm going to listen up muna everyone. I'm going to add you to my group chat so that you will get links for creators of wealth or sessions outside my community. Okay? Sorry. Zoom sessions outside Quick Pro community. All right. So, kasi tomorrow we have sessions. We have 3 sessions tomorrow. I see Noreen here. Noreen, please see to it that you make yourself available for the 8 p.m. session. Huh? This is for funded accounts. We have a free session for those with funded accounts. Okay, and everyone here who's funded. Okay, please see to it that you will make yourself available at 8 p.m. I think Mark also. Tama ba, Mark? You're fine. I can't remember. Yeah, if Mark has a funded account already. Anyway, so we have 3 sessions tomorrow. There you go. Attend the 8 p.m. Mark. Huh? We have 3 sessions tomorrow. 2 sessions at 1 at 3 p.m., 1 at 6 p.m. At 3 p.m., ano yung session na pwede niyong attendan? It's combined all set 1 and 2. For the 6 p.m. session, it's global investment walkthrough. Okay. So you can attend it kahit hindi pa kayo funded. Pero yung 8 p.m., that's exclusive for those with funded accounts only. We will teach you how to launch your 200 or 500 fund already. Okay, so okay, great. Okay, tapos I can only reply to you sa mga messenger tomorrow morning na because I have classes until 12 tonight. Okay, and I'm so tired already. So bukas ko na, but I will reply to you before lunch tomorrow. Sige, kakopy ko na lang din yan, Chico. Okay, basta sa message mo sa akin, please include your real name. Huh? All right, and so again, I will send you the Zoom links before lunch for the 3 p.m. and the 6 p.m. For those who have funded accounts, sila Mark, sila Noreen, and those of you who are funded already, I see to it that you're part of the funded group chat so that you'll be able to get the 8 p.m. Zoom link. All right? Okay. So, all right, I trust that a lot of you are done already. So ulitin ko lang ha, if you fail to create a link under the link of Quick Pro, you will not be able to be part of my community outside Quick Pro, okay? Okay, I have other sessions. We have other beautiful sessions in my community called Creators of Wealth. Okay, let me just continue what I was sharing to you a while ago. As I close this. Okay, closing na tayo. Okay. Tada, asan na siya? Asan na siya? Ayun. Okay. All right. Okay, so balikan ko na lang ulit yung chat mamaya, ha? I'm going to put it aside. Okay, so we're done with this. Okay, so introduction to the global platform. Yeah, all of these things we're going to talk about all set too. But yeah, I just want to introduce you quickly to eToro. Why eToro? Because this is the best global platform out there. We've done our research. We've done our grabe kinumpero namin lahat. This is the simplest. This is the simplest and this is the best global platform out there. It's a one-stop shop platform. 6 asset classes pwede mong i-trade. Pakita ko sa inyo mamaya yung 6. It's highly compliant and regulated. Please, after this, see to it that you will check the Discord channel nyo sa Quick Pro and download the link of the guide that Kathleen will post. Kasi you need to follow the PDF guide on how to complete your profile and fund your account. Read them first ha, basahin muna bago mo simulan. Okay? Kasi mahigpit si eToro. Mahigpit si eToro sa compliance and regulations. Hindi ka basta-basta ma-approvean kung hindi tama yung pag-fill out mo ng completion ng profile mo. Okay? So you need to read the PDF guide. Again, saan yun? Sa Discord channel nyo sa Quick Pro. Okay? Tapos download the link na ipapadala ni Kathleen kasi nag-expire daw yun. Okay? Again, it's very simple and transparent sa eToro. And again, kaya nga gusto na open the global markets for everyone. Imagine, $200 you can start already. That's less than 10,000 pesos. Grabe. Eh dati-dati sa global market, you need $10,000 to start. Sa kanila, $200. Eh, kaya nga pwede ka na magsimula kaagad. Sa eToro trading platform, pwede kang maggawa ng manual trading, investing in portfolio, and copy trading. No? So, papaliwanag lahat yan bukas. Okay, pero yun lang, pakita ko lang sa inyo. No? There are 6 asset classes. Stocks, indices, okay, ETFs, okay, there are commodities, there are foreign currencies or yung forex market na naririnig nyo. Of course, our favorite cryptocurrencies, nandun din. So one-stop shop, pwede yung 6 na yan. Tapos pwede rin mamili ka ng portfolio para hindi ka na nag-iisip. Okay, pero ito, medyo may kamahalan ng minimum nito, $1,000 ito. Okay, so tomorrow we'll talk about copy portfolios as well. Tapos, ito yung copy trading. Can you imagine? Look at these people. These are the people that you can copy. Pwedeng 60%. Di ba kanina nga example, this is one of our people that were copying. Si Wesley, tsaka si Miyoshi. 65%, 80%. So, or pwede mo siyang kopyahin, no? 106%, 100%, 116, 122, 123, 98. Pero kanina yung example namin sa inyo, 25% lang. Okay, pero for you to start to copy trade, $500 ang minimum. You can fund with your $200, but we will guide you where you can use the $200 initially. Okay? So, probably you're asking what's next. Okay, so tomorrow, it's a combination of all set at 1 and all set 2 at 3 p.m. Tapos 6 p.m., grabe, you'll be blown away with global investment walkthrough. Free on, ha? So please join us there. How can you get the access? Send me your eToro username and your real name. Okay? So that I can add you into group chat. Okay. Now, so what's next? Okay, you can take a screenshot of this pagkatapos nito, ha? I hope that you have created your free account already. So once you have created your free account, please send me the details. Ulitin naman din ni Kathleen yung instructions sa Discord. Okay, attend all set bukas, all set 1 and 2 at 3 p.m., 3 to 4:30 yan. Ito 6 to 7:30 or minsan 7:15 tapos na sila. Global investment walkthrough. Or baka minsan pa nga, mga ganun, 7:15. Okay, tapos once you are sold already or once you want to start investment already, please upgrade your eToro account. How do you upgrade that free account? You just complete your profile and fund your account. For a guide of this, please go to the Discord and download the guide immediately. Okay, and also one of the best ways to fund, dahil BPI debit card is not available na daw, Union Bank debit card is a good alternative. Okay, you can open. Basta read the PDF guide first. Pero wala doon sa PDF guide yung Union Bank eh. So ngayon we just added Union Bank debit card. Okay, once you're funded, please let me know. Yung instructions nandun din sa Discord. Okay, because I will add you into another group chat for funded clients, and also you have access to the Creators of Wealth Philippines Facebook group. Okay, so sobra rich and premium content dito sa Facebook group na to. Stay away from public Facebook groups about eToro, ha? Ang daming scammers doon, ang daming manloloko doon, at ang daming misinformation, mga mali-mali. Okay? So meron din magagaling pero bihira silang mag-post. Ang mga madalas mag-post doon, mga scammers at saka mga money-manning posts that creates a lot of panic. Okay? So yung Creators of Wealth Philippines FB group, pagka-funded ka na, pwede ka na mag-join. So may 4 lang na gate questions. Who invited you? You just write quick pro on the who invited you. Tapos, do you have a funded account? We have a way of checking it. Okay. And number 3, what's the password? The password is date you attended All Set or Global Investment Walkthrough. And do you agree to the community rules? Sobrang dami yung matututunan dito sa Facebook group na ito. Now, once you're funded, you can attend Maximize Copy Trading or the Optimized session. Noreen, Mark, and those of you who are funded, please take note of this. This is only done first and second Saturday of the month at 8 p.m. We'll teach you where to put your $200 or your $500. Tapos, if you want to learn the short-term manual trading and the long-term manual trading as well, invest in your growth, okay, by enrolling in the Knowledge Quadrant. Ito lang yung mga sessions naming may bayad. Pero these 3, these are all free. And other special sessions pa, lahat yun free. Okay, the Knowledge Quadrant and attend the Digital Assets Walkthrough. If you're a cryptocurrency fan, you can attend this every Wednesdays at 6 p.m. It's for free also. Free din ito. Or enroll in the Knowledge Quadrant Advance, okay, if you really want to master cryptocurrencies. All right? So, you can take a screenshot while I'm checking the chat. Kung merong mga additional questions, done creating po. Pwede po mamaya yes, pwede naman, Julius. Okay, ayaw makisama ng net niya. Okay, tapos sent daw, noted daw, done creating po. Ito yung Japanese. Okay. Done sending, done na po, sent na po, sent na. Should we proceed to account? Sure, pwede naman, Sheila. Basta, Sheila, but read the, Sheila, I hope you're listening. Read the PDF guide first, all right? See to it that you're, that you're properly guided. Kasi baka pag nagkamali ka, ang hirap habulin. Tanong ni Emmanuel, hindi ba naglalagang eToro, coach? Okay, never experienced that, Emmanuel. Except kung yung internet mo ang may problema, Emmanuel. Hindi nagba-brown out. Ano? Hi, nagba-brown out po ba? Ano? Hi, nagba-brown out po. Ano po ba isa-send? Okay. It's just your username and your real name. Send mo sa messenger ko, Arnold H. Anog. Don't worry, nasa Discord channel din. Send na rin po, done sending. Okay, pabalik-balik ako. Anong... Okay. Thanks daw, sabi ni Sheila. I'm happy na nag-email ng eToro na no problem sa pag-open ng new account. Oh, very good. All right. Thanks. Oh, you're welcome, Jico. All right. So, I want to be on time this time. Yay! Overtime pa rin. All right. So, thank you so much, everyone. Please explore your platform. Take note of your questions. Throw the questions tomorrow sa 3 p.m. and 6 p.m. sessions. All right. So, thanks, everyone. Thank you, Kathleen. Good night, everyone, and see you tomorrow. All right. Oh, you're welcome. You're welcome, everyone. Bye. Bye. Okay. Thank you, Dao. You're welcome, Sheila. You're welcome, Kelly. You're welcome, Emmanuel. You're welcome, everyone. And dami. Bye. God bless you. God bless.